In today's video, we'll show you how to create this slideshow. You can turn your travel photos or videos into an album. If you're interested in this topic, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc editor on our phone. Click Create Now. The system will pop up the folder. Select the materials you want to work with here. You can choose different types of media, from videos to photos. Click the material itself to preview it. To select it, click the small circle in the top right corner. After selection, click Add to enter the editing panel. On this panel, we can see the preview window at the top, the timeline in the middle, and the toolbar at the bottom. First, we need to adjust the duration of each clip. Click the clip on the timeline. You'll see white handles appear on both ends. Drag the handles to shorten the clip duration. Hold the blank space on the timeline to move its position. After processing all our materials, click the arrow icon in the toolbar. Find the connection points between two clips to add transition onto there. Pick your favorite transition. Click them to preview the animation. Then adjust duration time below. Click the check mark in top right to confirm. You can also click Apply All below to apply transitions to all clips. Finally, click Text in the toolbar to add text. Type your desired text in the text box, then adjust the font style and animation. Now, your simple slideshow is complete. Click Export to save your video. Alright, now you've reached today's video about how to make a slideshow in VideoProc editor. Now, download VideoProc editor on your phone and try it yourself.